I'm going to tell about an exciting cycling tour which was undertaken some time ago from Nepal to India. More specifically, it was Cycling Dharan which had organized the tour from Dharan to Sikkim. The main purpose of the cycling tour was to cement Indo-Nepal relationship. To participate in the tour, many professional cyclists from different parts of the country had flocked in Dharan. The special attraction of the tour was Puskar Saha, the only Nepali cyclist who has paddled over 120 countries. Today, Puskar Saha has attained a tall stature at home and abroad. There were 16 cyclists in the team: Tirtha Awasthi, Jitendraman Sakya and Lok Thapa from Pokhara, Vijay Saratna Sakya and Nishchal Manandar from Kathmandu, Sucheta Sakya from Kapilavastu, Birendra Srestha from Gorkha, Pukar Thapa and Rajesh from Butwal, Ekraj Adhikari and Gaushal Mahat from Itahari and Sujan Chaudhary, Rajesh Sakya, Pramod Sakya, Sanjana Chetri and Krishna Kesi from Dharan. A small press conference was held in Dharan shortly before leaving for the cross-border cycling. The first destination was Darjeeling. It was the first experience for all of the cyclists to paddling to India. The journey to Darjeeling had several steep uphill and downhill. Despite those geographical challenges, Nepali cyclists paddled hard and finally they entered Darjeeling safely. When all the cyclists had started the tour from Dharan, they were curious to meet Puskar Saha, a legendary cyclist of Nepal. Today, Puskar Saha has become larger than life. Due to his achievements, his name has become synonymous with cycling. Every single participant wanted to meet Puskar Saha because many of them had never met Puskar Saha before. Perhaps Tirtha Awasthi was the only cyclist from Pokhara who had more intimacy with Puskar Saha. While speaking with this YouTuber, Tirtha Awasthi said, "Had I not been inspired by Puskar Saha, I could never have enough courage to make Mechi to Mahakali tour. He was the driving force behind me." Mr. Awasthi had dedicated his first Mechi to Mahakali tour to Puskar Saha. Encouraged by the first success, Mr. Awasthi had undertaken the second Mechi to Mahakali tour in 2015. To express his love and respect to Puskar Saha, Mr. Awasthi has made a tattoo of Puskar Saha's autograph in his foreleg. All the cyclists' happiness knew no bound when they met Puskar Saha at Singatam near Sikkim. Meeting with Puskar Saha was like dream come true for all the cyclists. After meeting with Puskar Saha, all the cyclists forgot the fatigue they had after days of regular cycling. Puskar Saha's kind words worked like tonic for the cyclist. While staying in Sikkim, Sikkim Travel Agents Association of Sikkim TAS had welcomed the cyclists. The cyclists did also receive a similar type of warm welcome in Gangtok. The cycling team left Gangtok for Siliguri, 120 km away from Gangtok. All the cyclists vociferously said that cycling from Siliguri to Gangtok was awesome. Good quality road did make cycling a lot more comfortable and much easier. The people on the road did also cheer the cyclists with their open hearts. The cyclists stayed in Siliguri for one day and the next morning they left for Kagadpita, 70 km away from Siliguri. Throughout the cycling tour, Ramesh Chandra Chetri from Butwal entertained the cyclists by showing his stunt on bicycle. He was the only unicyclist in the team.